Hello everyone, today we'll do this split and how to straighten. I will show you some secret elements which you can do and to work with your mobility. Let's start. First, what you're starting to do, you will take one leg from blocks and working with mobility. So I will get turn and back. 2, 3, 4, and last one 5, and stay 1, 2, 3. And after that we will work and take it 1, 2, and 3. Let's try the same exercise on another leg. I will slowly take my leg and we will now working with mobility our hip. I will get turn and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, and 5. Good work. And now we will go slowly for our leg. 1 and 2, and then you do 3, and slowly going behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe on me, and go and watch my another video content. Bye bye.